Miss Nichols here, your backyard biologist. Be sure to take a moment and get outside. Today on Backyard Biology, we're going to take all those great photographs you took of nature and combine them with nature sounds and make a mindfulness video. You can use apps like WeVideo, iMovie, YouTube, or Adobe Voice. If you're using a smartphone, I recommend that you hold it in the horizontal position. Take videos while you're walking on your favorite hike. Or scenes from your fall harvest. Your favorite places. Artwork. Or some furry friends. Use whatever images you have and get outside.